Let's see what's ready to harvest in the garden.
As usual, ton of eggplant. Some red poblanos to dry as ancho. Oh, hey little bud. Dried pepper season with some chihuahua. These are so cute. I see some guajillo. A little bit of blossom end rot there. I'm gonna have to get that figured out. Sweet red bell peppers. Now for some hot peppers. We just had a lot of rain, so these probably won't be very spicy. Look at this big chonky tomatillo. Moving on to the cucumbers. Gonna need another basket. Very soon I'm gonna be chopping down all these tomato plants. I definitely thought these were leeks when I planted them, and they're definitely scallions. Okay, time for some fresh greens. Got a little bit of chard.
This leaf is like bigger than my head.
Oh, this poor kale, it needs a bigger home. Oh my gosh, sorry kale. Let's grab this gorgeous radicchio. Getting ready.
Another thing size of my head.
Always love having some fresh herbs. Parsley, some dill, cilantro. Dahlias are ready to harvest. This variety is called Cafe au lait, and these varieties are part of a Cafe au lait mix. I don't know their names. Gonna be a few trips back to the kitchen.
I no longer have control over my own kitchen. All of this has taken over. I have some salads to eat this week. I'm thinking about making a Greek salad. This iceberg lettuce, some fresh cucumbers, and some of these herbs. I'm gonna take all of these greens and these scallions, and I'm gonna make a version of a Greek spanakopita to go with that Greek salad. I'm so excited about this radicchio. I'm gonna do one of two things. Make a radicchio and smoked whitefish pasta, or I'll do Alison Roman's recipe for radicchio salad with garlicky breadcrumbs and egg yolk. Can't wait. Okay, so I have a million tomatillos. I'm gonna make pozole this week, and maybe some enchiladas too. I'm gonna roast up these red bell peppers for some tomato soup to go with all these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. This is the time of year for food preserving. I'm gonna take a lot of these peppers, like these little chihuahuas, and those red poblanos, and dry them so that I can have them for the winter. What else is even in here? I'm gonna take some of these tomatoes and also put them in the dehydrator with the peppers, or some sun-dried tomatoes. I really like to use those on pizza.
And that's our harvest for today.